What's up, everybody? Thank you for stopping by my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing my new Silhouette Cameo Plus, and I am super excited to see what is inside. So if you want to see what's inside, I'm going to go ahead and run the intro and we'll jump right into it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it. This is the box that it comes in. It came in like a box that surrounded it, but this is how it came out of that box. So we're going to go ahead and open it. Alright. The design store. Find the perfect design in no time. You get the Cameo 4 includes a free 1-month subscription to Silhouette Design Store, the official marketplace for professionally crafted cut files, fonts, patterns, and other designs for use with your Silhouette cutting machines. Over 150,000 files to choose from. Now this one is the 15-inch cutting width built-in roll feeder vinyl cutter, right? Clearance is 3 millimeters. Let me go ahead and just lift this up so you can see. This is one of the main reasons why I purchased this particular one. After doing my research, and this is my first time exploring vinyl cutters or cutters in general. But the reason why I went with this one is because a lot of people complained about not being able to stick their vinyl like right on it and get cutting right away. So being able to stick the roll in and feed it in without a mat and having to purchase that was one of the big selling features for me, because it seemed like everybody was having issues with the cutters that required a mat, like the Cricut. So that's why I decided to go with this one. It has all different types of blades in here: a punch tool, a craft blade, a rotary blade, an auto blade. Like I said, I'm new at this, so I'll have to figure out what all of that means in the process for it, okay? So we got setup stuff here. This is how it comes. Just take some of this out. Alright, so looks like this is all of the like the cords and stuff. Let's just take a look. Yep, just what I thought it was. Looks like the power cord, the blades that was in it, the USB connector, all of that jazz. Let's get that out of the way. And this looks like a cutting mat. It is. If you want it, you got it. So this is the cutting mat. Let's move that out. And inside we have websites for software, download, user guide, and free contact subscription. You just visit these websites, and then they got it in all different types of languages. And there it is. Nicely packaged. It's not going anywhere with these two styrofoams on each side. Let me go ahead and pull it out. Let's see. Alright, easy pull out. I'm going to throw that box down. Alright. So there we have it. Alright, so inside of the box, like I said, these things are pretty well secure, so I'm going to go ahead and take those off. Nice and secure. Sure. Here we go. Nice little styrofoam wrapping around it, which is great. Keeps it nice and protected. Alright. Now, one thing they told me in one of the videos that I watched was Make sure you get all of the blue tape off. So we want to make sure we get all of the blue tape off because apparently there's a lot of blue tape on this thing. And we don't want to miss any of it. Okay. Alright, yes, there's a lot of blue tape in there. Alright, let's get this off. Oh, okay, so this is just styrofoam. On the styrofoam holder. Now the styrofoam keys. Tons of little blue stuff. All right, let's jump into the tools. First we have and actually there's only one tool that actually comes with it. The rest of these are just like holders. But let's go ahead and get into this first one. This is the auto blade. This comes with an actual blade in it. It's not just a holder. The second one will hold a sketch pen. And when I say hold, these little latches on the side here, see if I can get it open. Where is it at? There it is. So it just opens up. You put it in, you snap it closed, and this little magnetic piece on the back will basically connect to the little holder on the machine, and that way it'll know which blade you're actually putting into the machine. Alright, so this next holder is for a deep cut blade. The black one is for the ratchet and premium blades. And then the white is for the 2mm craft blade. This little handy dandy thing here is a handheld blade adjuster. And just so you can see it up close, that's what it looks like. Alright, so those are the different things that come with it that you saw in the bag, the little baggie earlier, as well as the power adapter. And I'm not going to show you that because everybody knows what a power adapter looks like. What I am going to show you now is how to put this auto blade in the machine, because I was confused at first. So I'm going to show you just so you won't be as confused as I was. Okay, so we have our auto blade here. Have our auto blade, and it has the same magnetic strip on it that we had saw before. And what we're going to do is we're going to stick it into the first slot here that you see here. And right now it is actually unlocked. And what I mean by that is if you press it in, that's locked. And you'll actually know that it's locked because it's a little blue dot that appears right next to the one that says that it's locked. So I'm going to unlock it. It's unlocked now. You should be able to see the difference between the little dots on 1 and 2. And now I'm going to stick the auto blade in, press it down to fully get it in, because you don't want to have it up like that because it's not in all the way, okay? Don't make a mistake like me. So press it in. Boom, it's in, but you're not done. Why? Because it's not locked yet. So then you just want to press it in to lock it. And as you can see, both blue dots are on the 1 and the 2 now because they are both locked. And that is how you load your auto blade into the slot. Alright, so now we're going to just give you a little quick run through of the little tray that will hold your vinyl or whatever it is that you're cutting. So you're just going to pull that out. That comes out real easy like that. And then you're going to slide it out a little more. That pops up. You pop that down. These come up on the side. And there you have it. You can put your roll of vinyl right there. So you want to put it in between here. You're going to feed it through this little thing here. There you have it. And as you can see, well, you might not be able to see, but let me roll this back. Here you have a little guideline right here. So you don't want to be over that little guideline when you're feeding it through, or you could use the little mat as well. Okay, I did want to go over how you turn the machine on because some people might not be aware of how to do that. And what you're going to do is just look on the side of your machine here where your plug is plugged in at. You'll see the power button right there on the side, right here. This is to connect it to your computer, and this is the power cord slot. So when you hit the power button, let's just show you what that looks like. When you hit the power button on the side, it starts to do its little thing in there. Loading, it gives you some nice little pretty lights. And for mine specifically, I have it hooked up to the Bluetooth. So it has the little Bluetooth light here. I can't remember if that light is on if you're not connected to Bluetooth, but my computer is a ways away from the cutter, so I have to use the Bluetooth, which is another feature that I liked and why I purchased this specific vinyl cutter. Alright guys, that concludes our video for the unboxing of the Cameo Plus. I hope you enjoyed everything. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. If you made it this far, go ahead and like the video and subscribe if you like the content. Here at About Time, we like moving with time in time, and we hope you do the same. Thank you and have a wonderful day.